Question 539 on page 270. In this question, we know the population standard deviation is 5, and the probability that an observation selected at random exceeds 21 is 0.14. When we visualize it, that means there is a random number here, 21, and above this number there should be 14% of the probability. And in this case, when we check the table A1, we first need to convert this probability into the probability between the random variable and the mean, because in the table A1, all the probability is only between the mean and the random variable. So this part comes from 0.5 minus 0.14. We get 0.36. And when we check the table, we find that the z-score is 1.08. After that, we can use the equation z equals x minus mu divided by the standard deviation to calculate what the mean is, because we know the x, that is the random variable, 21, minus the mu divided by the 5, and it equals 1.08. From this equation, we can get mu, it comes from 1.08 to times 5, and 21 minus that, and then we get 15.6, and this is the mean of that. To solve the second question, we want to find the value below which 4% of the values in the distribution lies. So this is the random variable x we want to get, and we already know the mean is 15.6 with standard deviation 5. And below this random variable, there should be 4% of the probability. And that means this part, which is between random variable and the population mean, is 0.46. And from this, we go to table A1, and we get our z-score is 1.75. But don't forget, this z-score comes from the variable below the mean, so the z-score is minus 1.75. And when we use the equation z equals x minus mu divided by the standard deviation, we know it's minus 1.75 equals x minus 15.6 and divided by 5. And then we get our x is 6.85. So we solve the second question.